pangalawa ko, and then si Alpha. Pero alam niyo, gusto ko din si Kimmy. Yeah. So, it's either parang gusto ko mag-marksman, pero kasi kung maglalaro kami ng kaya, may marksman na eh. So, if not, either fighter or assassin. Parang ganun. Can you recommend a series to watch? If you want something light, as in baby light, Bluey. I am very obsessed with Bluey. And then, kung gusto niyo ng talaga, na parang kailangan niyo tutukan, You. So, as in you. Ayan, You. And then, if you want something deep or like life in general, BoJack Horseman. Or if you want something funny, pero kasi iba yung humor ko when it comes to series. Or if you want adult cartoons, ganun. Bob's Burgers. I love Bob's Burgers. Yeah, ayan. Yun yung mga pinapanood ko recently. And then I also tried watching tinry ko mag-Haikyuu actually. Tinry ko mag-anime. And so far, okay naman. Nagustuhan ko naman siya. Medyo mahina lang ako sa pagbabasa kasi malabo yung mata ko. So, hindi ko siya mapanood ng ng chill. Parang ganun. So, yeah. Ngayon lang ako nanonood ng anime actually. Napanood mo na po ba Inside Out 2? Yeah! I did! Sobrang ganda. Actually, naiyak ako. Hindi naman naiyak, pero I got teary-eyed. And it's so nice na hinintay nung creators na tumanda tayong lahat before we watch the second one. Kasi, I'm excited though. Kasi sana magkaroon ng third and fourth and fifth. Tapos, kahit ganun kahabang interval, yung paglabas ng movie, parang papanoorin ko pa rin siya kahit tumanda ako. So excited. Sana may iba pang emotions. Feeling ko magkakaroon pa ng third one kasi kung naalala nyo. Hindi, sige, wag na. Feeling ko may third one. Ayan. Yeah. Hello po. You watch BL po ba? I haven't heard of... Well, wala pa akong natatanungan ng recommendations for BL. Pero yeah, I wanna try watching. Sino anger sa inyo sa kaya? Ay, ako na yan. Ako na yan. Hello, thank you po for the gifts. Hi, C. Arlene. Thank you po. Thank you, Zuno. Zuno ba? Hala, nawala ko na yung name niya. Thanks, Vane. Thank you po sa mga nag-gift. I love you all. Thank you for being so generous and so kind and for being here. Salamat sa mga andito pala for your time. Alam ko sobrang sponty na naman na itong live na to, pero thank you for being here. Yeah. Anong color ng hair ko? This is dark cold brown. Thank you, Cham! Thank you, Kuya JC. Anyway, this is dark cold brown from Bremond. Ako lang nagkukulay nito. Pero actually, nag-fade na siya ulit kasi sa dami ng sa dami ng events namin lately, which I'm very grateful for, kailangan ko siyang hugasan lagi kasi ang daming hairspray, gel, nimisyan, ganun. So, kailangan siyang malinis lagi. Kasi if not, ang icky niya talaga. Hi Marvin, hi Gio. Thank you po for the gifts. Thank you for the roses. Thank you, Deep Purple Pink. Ate, I'm Zaya. Hi Joy. What's up? Ba't aga ng live? Wala lang. Hi Madam. Kumusta ka naman? Kakauwi ko lang kasi galing AOS. So, wala lang. Parang hindi ako sanay umuwi ng ganitong oras. Gets yun ba? Na parang sa dami ng ganap namin recently, nakaka-uwi kami gabi na. So, medyo nakakapanibago umuwi ng ganitong oras. Kaya nag-live na lang ako. May collab po kayo ng Cloud 7. Actually, wala. Pero we're gonna share the stage on tomorrow. We're gonna share the stage tomorrow. And nagkita din kami sa Trinoma, I think. Ando nata din sila sa Trinoma. Sobrang cute nila. Para silang mga kapatid ko, gano'n. When we met them kanina, ang cute nung isa, like, lumapit pa siya sa amin. Like, di ba po 5 kayo? Asan po yung isa? Yung gano'n. Alam niyo yung mga batang parang hindi sila nahihiya mag small talk. Parang gano'n. Sobrang cute. Suggest that design. Tattoo nila Cham and Maze. Pagawa din kayo ng fox. Ate, don't forget to take a rest. Thanks, Elle. Pero yeah, nakakapahinga naman kami. It's just that this week, ang dami talaga namin ganap. So, thank you pala sa mga pumupunta sa mga ganap namin. Sa mga nakita namin sa Trinoma, sa One Ayala, and for tomorrow, sa AOS. Sana magkita-kita tayo doon. If hindi kayo makasama sa audience, you can watch sa GMA or sa YouTube. May streaming yun. 12 noon yun, guys. Wala si Lot tomorrow. Andun si Charlotte tomorrow. Wala lang siya sa rehearsal today kasi may may sarili siyang ganap. Yes, sa July 6, meron din kaming event sa it's called Everyone's K-pop. It's held by KCC. So, kung K-pop fan kayo or P-pop fan, punta din kayo and yeah, sana kita-kita din tayo dun. July 6 yan. Kumusta fan chant ng You Did It? Alam niyo, nakakatuwa kasi dun pa nakikilala ng mga tao yung You Did It. Kung napapansin niyo on TikTok, ang daming natutuwa with that one. So, thank you. Thank you sa Zaya sa mga Zaya, sa inyo na ang daming pasabog lagi. Ganon. Kasi ang daming natutuwa. Hindi lang kami, ang daming natutuwa like online with the fan chant. Hindi naman siya official fan chant, pero sige, since ginawa niya na ng fan chant, we will stick to that. So, sana gawin niya yan every event and every performance na You Did It. Ayun lang, hindi na nakakanta na maayos si Ate Angela dun. Kasi natatawa talaga kaming lahat. Marunong ka po ba mag-Korean? Not really. Hi, Elise. Thank you for the flowers. Sino anak mo sa Aja? I forgot. Oh my God. Si Alex ba? I forgot. Basta I'm sure hindi si JC or si Axel. Either of the two. Nakalimutan, shucks. Anyway, meron kami mga anak. Hi, Deep Purple Pink, thank you. Meron kami mga anak sa Aja. Nagsimula yun ng B-verse, ng B-star verse. So, nakalimutan ko na. Oh my gosh. Ate, do you know aespa? I am a fan of aespa. Alam niyo ba, yung mga groups na gusto ko ngayon, okay, let's run down all of the groups na gusto ko ngayon. I like, of course, XG. I like XG, I like aespa, I like Kiss of Life, yan. Those 3. Ngayon, very ako dyan ngayon. Obsessed talaga. Anyway, gusto ko pala ito pakita sa inyo. Bigay ito ni Doc Ren. So, thank you sa gift. Pero, excuse me, binigay niya ito sa akin yesterday. Look. It's a charm bracelet with Kuromi. So cute. Kuromi, and then there's an S, and then may heart. Ang cute pa ng beads. I mean, parang flower stuff. Ayun, no. Oh my. It's so cute. Anyway, thank you. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, I am a Sanrio fan. So, I have this one. I have this one. And then, I bought something na I wanna show you. Pero pagdating na lang nung binili ko. Wala pa akong ticket sa aespa. Pero I'm hoping na makakuha yung na makakuha kami. I'm hoping na makakuha pa kami. Pwede ba maging Zaya kahit di nakakapunta sa mga concert? Hi, Sam! Yes, of course! It doesn't, like, if hindi naman kayo makapunta sa mga concert or even sa mga, namin, mall show or any other event, it's okay. Parang hindi naman yun, hindi naman yun, parang hindi siya requirement as a fan. Parang if you can and if you want to, go. Sobrang masaya kami na makita din kayo. Pero if hindi nyo kaya, like kunwari, student kayo or malayo kayo, ganon, hindi kayo pinapayagan ng parents nyo, it's okay. Hindi naman hindi naman siya parang, if hindi ka makapunta, hindi ka naman totoong fan, parang ganon. So, yeah, you're still a Zaya. As long as you want the best for us and you support us in our music and you appreciate what we do, you are considered a Zaya. So, thank you for wanting to go sa mga ganap namin. Pero, we do understand. We really understand if you cannot or hindi pa kaya. Yeah. Hihintayin naman namin kayo. And I'm still hoping to meet you talaga. Like, all of you, kung kaya lang namin na ma-meet kayong lahat, we will. Pero, naintindihan namin na yung iba sa inyo, like, bata pa or hindi kayo, or malayo kayo, or, yeah. It's okay. It's really okay. Hi, Valeria! Dito ka pala. Hello! But yeah, ayun. So, sa mga hindi na, huwag kayo ma-pressure ha. Like, this is for everyone. Huwag kayo ma-pressure sa mga ibang Zaya na nakapunta lagi sa events. And, kasi that doesn't mean na mas fan sila than you. Like, it just means na, alam mo yun, parang mas kaya nila for now. You will get there. You will get there also. I will meet you. We will meet you also. Just in time. Parang ganon. So, okay lang yan. It's okay. We still consider you part of the family. Pero hopefully, ma-meet namin kayo. So, yeah. Sana matuloy din yung tour namin. I'm hoping on that one. Sana matuloy yung tour para makamit pa kami ng ibang Zaya from different parts of the Philippines. Oh my gosh! Si ano ba to? Kuya Ivan, ikaw ba yan? Ikaw ba yung nakita ko? Oh my gosh, siya nga! Hello! Hi, Mika! Oh my gosh, my friends are here! Thank you po! Anyways, Kuya Ivan, ano yan? New Pips yan! So, kung ayun pala, dapat, alam nyo ba, dapat sasayaw ako with U-Peeps na hindi natuloy kasi very, very soon, i-announce din yan. Pero nagkaroon ako ng schedule with Kaya, so syempre, I had to, prioritize kasi this is my work. So, yeah. Sa mga walang plans on July 13, punta kayo sa U-Peeps concert and yan, sa kanya kayo bumili ng tickets. Pwede niyo siya i-message for tickets. Pero, ayun, kung matapos na maaga yung event namin, I might watch. Pero if not, baka hindi. Hi, Mariah! And si Mika naman, ano ko yan? Schoolmate ko yan. One of my, best friends. Hi, Kai! Pero yun, sana masuportahan nyo din yung U-Peeps, guys. Kasi, kung hindi nyo pala alam, I still am naman. Hindi na ako ganun ka-active. I am part of V-Peeps before, na hindi ko alam kung V-Peeps pa rin ba ako ngayon or U-Peeps na ako kasi matanda na ako. Pero, yeah, magko-compete ulit sila sa US for Worlds. So, mag-represent sila ng Philippines and sana masuportahan nyo. Yung concert kasi, it's a fundraising. So, yeah. Sana masuportahan nyo, guys. Sana makanood kayo ng concert. So, yung concert ng U-Peeps on July 13, dalawang shows yan. So, there's a 2 p.m. show and there's a 6 p.m. So, kung hindi kayo free sa morning, pwede naman kayo manood ng gabi. Kung hindi kayo free ng gabi, pwede kayo manood ng afternoon. So, nood kayo. Hi, Cham! Thank you! Thank you for the gifts. Thank you din, Kuya Ivan. See you soon. Sana makadaan ako ng training ulit. Kasi hindi ako makakanood eh. Ay. But yeah. As in, alam niyo ba na like, I feel so bad. Kasi, siya, parang, nag-training na ako doon. Nag-training na ako for a few weeks, actually. Tapos naka-block na ako and everything. Tapos hiyang-iya ako sa kanila. Hiyang-hiya ako kasi parang feeling ko, alam mo yun, naabala ko pa sila. Parang ganun. Oh well. I'm still hoping though na makasaya ko ulit yung UPeeps. Kahit for like a video lang or something. Kasi I've always been wanting to do that na for how many years? So, ayan. And you know what? Ever since I started training ulit sa UPeeps, parang feeling ko gumaling ulit ako. Parang ganun. Parang lumakas ako ulit sumayaw. Kaya gusto ko mag-training with them. Pero ayun nga. Inaaya nga ako ni Coach mag-worlds. Pero I don't have money for that one. And anyway, sa mga hindi pala aware, yung mga ganyang compet like HHI, from our own pockets yun. Like, kami yung gumagastos ng flights, ng accommodation, food, and everything. So, if kaya nyo mag-support sa mga dance teams, like today, meron ding concert yung A-team. Kung kaya nyo mag-support, please support. Kasi, syempre, din yun, pride din ng Pilipinas yun, no? So, yeah. Sana makanood kayo ng mga concerts ng dance teams like A-Team, UPeeps, and other dance teams also. TPM also magkakaroon sila ng compet on August. I think sa Singapore naman yun. So, yeah. Sana makasupport kayo guys. Sana makanood kayong lahat. Hindi ako sure if makakanood ako tonight ng A-Team. Pero, yeah. Meron silang show today and tomorrow. Thank you po for the rose. See you sa July 6. Yes, see you. Who's my bias in Beanie? I really like Aya. I love her so much. She's so pretty and she's so kind. Actually, sobrang bait din ni Aya. Everyone naman. Everyone. Pero she's just, alam mo yun, parang sobrang chill niyang tao, ganun. Ewan ko, ganun yung impression ko sa kanya. She's very chill and I love her aesthetic so much. Oh my gosh. Ayun yung gusto kong lifestyle. Hindi naman lifestyle, pero yung aesthetic niya talaga. I love it so much. Kilala mo po yung Enhypen? Yeah! Nagko-cover actually kami before, nakakapag-cover pa ako ng Enhypen. Pero ngayon kasi, alam niyo, namimiss ko na rin mag-cover ng mga K-pop songs. Pero, yeah, slowly bumabalik tayo dyan sa mga TikToks na ganyan. Hello. Bias sa G22. I really like jazz also. Yeah. Kaya alam niyo, every time na napapadaan si Jazz sa FYP ko, pinapanood ko talaga kasi parang that's how you do your makeup? Okay. Galing. Ang galing niya mag-makeup though. Like, pinapanood ko talaga from start to finish yung mga ganun niya. So, ang ganda pa niya. Oh my. Sa SB, for now, Kuya Stel, you know what, I'm very happy for Kuya Stel lately. Ang lakas ng career niya ngayon. And I'm so thankful na nare-recognize na siya for his talent, like his vocal talent. Kasi diba nag-start siya, if I'm not mistaken, nag-start siya sa K-pop dance cover group. And now, parang, actually, Kuya Stel is one of my inspirations talaga na parang I started also with dancing. Tapos, hanggang sa, alam mo yung bigla na kaming nagsisigawan sa birit-birit dito. So, yeah, he's one of my inspirations talaga with not just in singing, with everything, with being an idol. Isa siya sa mga galing na galing ako with, parang ganun. Room DC. Alam niyo, inaaral ko na siya actually. Yeah, inaaral ko na siya. Pero I don't know lang when I'm gonna post. Pero, yeah. Okay. Hello everyone! Grabe magwa 1 hour. Di naman, mga 30 minutes na ako naka-live now and ang dami nyo pa rin. Wow! Hello everyone! Thank you for being here and I hope you're having a good Saturday pa lang pala. I hope you're having a good Saturday and I hope you have a good weekend and sana mag-chill lang kayo this weekend and enjoy for the next week. Kasi baka bakbaka na naman on next week. Well, kami naman parang isa pa lang naman yung event namin next week, which is yung K-pop, yung Everyone's K-pop. So, sana makanood kayo nun. It feels like a Sunday. Feeling ko sa weather kasi, ewan ko talaga. Parang ang chill. Pero ang traffic, which I don't like. Pero, yeah, hindi ko gets. Hello po. Hi everyone. Sa July 6 free admission, yes. Alam ko sa mall din yun eh. I'll double check. Balikan ko kayo. Kilala niyo po si Taylor Swift? Yes, of course! When I was 12 or 13, napanood ko si Taylor. Ano pa yun? Fearless? Fearless tour ata yun? The Purple Pink, thank you again for the gifts. Pero yeah, Fearless tour ata yung napanood ko with Taylor. Wala na ako nung red eh. Hindi na ako nakipag-unahan sa tickets nun kasi ang dami nang bumibili. Lumalaki na siya nun eh. Sobrang laki na niya nun. And then, unfortunately, di ako nakakuha ng tickets for the Eras tour. Pero ang hassle din kasi sa ibang bansa. So, oh well. It's okay. There will always be a next time. Nakavisit ka na sa Taylor Swift Cafe, Will Plover Cafe. Hindi pa, actually. And, I think my sister. Kapatid ko ata. Ayan, nabigay na ni Kuya JC. July 6, Fashion Hall sa SM Mega Mall. Yung event natin sa K-pop thing. So, July 6 sa Mega Mall. Sana makanood kayo. Hello po everyone. Andito. Thank you for being here and yeah. Who po pinaka-close nyo sa YG-IG? Actually, hindi kami masyadong, like ako, I'm not that close with them, pero I've interacted with them a few times. Kung naalala nyo, di ba magkasama kami nung Quave, and I feel like I don't remember kasi parang everyone was so like madaldal sila actually, which I love. So yeah. But you know what? I really like Meg. She's so pretty and she's so kind and I don't know, I really like her. I like Meg and Alexei. Yeah. But I love all of them. Alam niyo, nung nakita namin sila, sobrang ganda nila tingnan together. Parang ganun. Like, girl group talaga. Parang ganun. So, yeah. I think si Charlotte may friend din eh. Si Jewel ata. Yeah. Pinaka-close ko sa Sixth Sense. Actually, alam niyo yung Sixth Sense, ka-close ni Alexia yung lahat. Pero I think ang pinaka-close na namin is si Ouija. Si Ouija, probably Ouija. Yeah. Pero I really like Sevi. He's so cute. Hello everyone. Hello. So yeah, thank you for being here. And gusto ko lang ulit i-mention na meron kaming AOS tomorrow. So 12 noon yan sa GMA. And hi Tin! Thank you for the gifts. And yeah, going back, may AOS kami tomorrow 12 noon sa GMA. May streaming yan sa YouTube. And yeah, sana makanood kayo. Sana di pa ako late mag-stand sa inyo. You will never be late in standing any P-pop group actually. Kasi yeah. Hindi naman siya, hindi naman siya paunahan. Parang ganon. So yeah, you are welcome sa Zaya and Kaya family. So welcome. I hope you keep standing. Hello, hello. Sino pinakamalinis sa Kaya? Everyone. I've been watching you since VPips days pa. Hi, Willow! Thank you! Excuse me. Kailan event niyo here sa Parañaque? I'm not sure when the next one will be, pero hopefully soon. Parang wala pa ako nababalitaan na meron kami sa Parañaque anytime soon. So, yeah. Sino laging may parcel? Si Charlotte. Si Charlotte na yan. Madali yan. Madaling ano yan, sagutin. Ilang years mo pinahaba yung hair mo? Yung akin kasi medyo matagal humaba. So, the last hair, nung short hair pa ako talaga, like my shortest one was 2022, before we debuted. So, hindi, actually 2021. Late 20, bago magkaya. Nung black hair na ako, nag-black kasi ako after ako nag-blue. So, kinailangan ko siyang ipakat kasi patay na talaga yung blonde ko nun eh. Kaya, yeah. Are you still keeping in touch with VPips? Yes! Dapat nga dapat magko-concert ako, pero bigla ako nagka-schedule on that day, kaya kailangan ko mag-back out. Pero yeah, I'm still in touch with VPips. Yeah. Hello! Do you guys live together? Yes, until now we still live together. I don't know if when we will separate ways, pero parang ayoko ba kasi alam niyo, living together like in a girl group living together really helps with chemistry, as in. So hindi ko alam if magiging tight pa rin ba kami sa performances if hiniwalay-hiwalay nila kami, pero yeah. Hopefully not anytime soon na hindi na kami magkasama tumira. Kasi I really like living with them, honestly. Pinaka-nonchalant sa kaya, Alexa. I love you. Hello! What color po nung first na kinulayan mo hair mo? Hi, Cho. The first time na nagpakulay ako ng hair was 2020. Middle of pandemic yun. Siyempre, bored eh. So, nung una, blonde lang talaga ako. Like, blonde. As in, yellowish blonde. Ganun. And then, after that, I had purple na hindi bumagay. So, hinintay ko siya mag-fade. Ganyan. And then, after purple, I think nag-bleach ako ulit after ko mag-purple, and then I had light blue. Kailangan kasi siyang i-bleach ulit kasi light, parang teal na siya ganun. So, light blue, and then what's the next one? And then, tinuloy ko ulit yung blonde. Ayun. Nag-blonde ako. This was during, what era na to? Ako yung naka-blonde doon na kasama dun sa sa Talahiban or sa desierto, parang ganun. So, I was blonde for a long time, and then blue. Doon ako nag-blue. And then black. Kasi after nung blue, nahirapan na ako mag-fade yung kulay ko to blonde. Alam niyo ba't ako nagpakulay ng blue? Kasi mayroon kaming, may mga stage test kami before, ng trainee kami. Like, pinapa-perform kami on stage and then evaluate, ganun. So, there was this stage test na nag-ESPA kami. Nag-cover kami ng ESPA, and Karina yung yung kino-cover ko nun. So, since Karina yung kino-cover ko nun and she had blue hair during Black Mamba, I think? Yeah, blue hair si Karina nun. So, nag-blue hair din ako. Para, alam mo yun, panindigan na natin tong cover na to. So, yeah. And hindi ko in-expect na babagay pala siya. So, ngayon gusto ko na ulit mag-blue. Yeah! Oh my gosh! Hindi! Pero hindi siya permanent color eh. Hindi siya permanent color kasi may cover kami. Everglow ata yun eh, first. I forgot her name. Mia ata. Si Mia yun, diba? Yung kino-cover ko. She had blue hair. Ito yung kulay nun. Ito yung kulay nun. Ito yung kwento nun. So, nag-cover kami ng Everglow for a compet. And then, si Mia yung kino-cover ko, and she had blue hair. Yung pigtails na braid, and then she had blue hair. So, I bought spray-on hindi ko naman alam na ganun pala yung spray on, na parang kapag napagpawisan ako, itutulo siya dito. So, yung mukha ko nung shoot na yon medyo bluish dito. Kaya ang buti na lang malayo yung camera. Pero anyway, so, kinulayan niya kung kilala niya si Kuya Keith, si Keith De Guzman, and si Kuya Ken, as in Ken Suson, tinulungan talaga nila ako mag-spray. As in, may hawak kaming parang karton ata. May hawak kaming karton kasi sa labas ako nagsispray kasi syempre hindi pwede sa loob ng studio makangamoy. Sa labas kaming tatlo. Pwede pa tulong naman ganyan. So spray kami. Si Kuya Ken nagsispray, si Kuya Keith like tinatakpan yung nasa yung bato ko and everything. And yeah. Sila yung may gawa ng blue hair ko nun. Sila yung rason kung bakit nagustuhan ko mag blue hair. Kaya kay Kuya Ken and kay Kuya Keith, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi sobrang hindi ko in-expect na babagay yun sa akin. And thank you for the help. Thank you for helping me. Oh my gosh! Si Kuya Ernest nandito! Hello! Kumusta ka naman? Lon, tagal na kitang hindi hindi nakakausap. Paano transition mo from UPIPS to Kaya? Actually, hirap na hirap ako mag-transition nun. Kasi yung pagsayaw ng yung professional dancing and artist dancing or idol dancing, it's so different. Like, they're both dancing, pero iba yung performance ng pagiging professional sa pagiging artist. So, with being a professional dancer, you're not really, alam mo yun, parang hindi ka masyadong concerned. Well, concerned pa rin sa visuals talaga. Pero mas concerned sa visuals yung pagiging artist. Like, mukha and yung itsura ng dance altogether. Pag professional dancing kasi, parang hindi ko ma-explain pero it's so different talaga. Feeling ko naman napapansin niyo yun. So, with professional dancing, I'm actually very thankful na dumaan muna ako doon before I became an artist. Kasi sobrang mas mahirap tong pagiging professional dancer. So, parang hindi naman siya downgrade actually. Like, not at all. Kasi hirap na hirap din ako mag-transition. Pero ang mahirap doon is yung energy ba? Doon ako nahirapan yung energy ko sa UPIPS, hindi ko siya pwedeng ilagay sa Kaya. Kasi, one, may hirapan sila. May hirapan silang kumabit sa akin kung ganon, and ma-out of place ako. Parang ganon. And I have to fix my face. Yeah. Kasi iba yung pag-perform ko talaga. Like, iba yung facials ko in UPIPS than in Kaya. So, I have to adjust that one. Kasi, there's a saying sa pagiging dancer. The more na pangit, hindi naman sa pangit, the more na hindi maayos yung muka when dancing, the more na, alam mo yun, parang you look like you're enjoying. Parang ganun. May ganun saying na parang dapat wala kang pake sa itsura mo when dancing. Ganun. Pero sa pagiging artist kasi, we're very, alam mo yun, kung ano yung maganda sa camera, that's how you should do it. So, dun ako na hirapan din. I'm not really conscious kasi talaga before with how I look when dancing. Pero ngayon, kailangan ko na siyang ayusin. And I feel like, na-adjust ko naman na yun. Pero, once I started training ulit with UPIPS for the concert, na hindi na ako matutuloy pala, by the way. Ever since noon, hirap na naman ako ibalik. Hirap ako mag-transition ulit sa pagiging, like, UPIPS ko, na parang, I feel like nawala yung aura ko sa pagiging dancer, ganun. Parang feeling ko, hindi na ako, parang wala na ako ng stage presence ba? Parang ganun. Ganun yung na-feel ko na parang, what do I do? Like, paano ulit maging dancer? Parang ganun. So, yeah. Pero I was very thankful na, na nakapag-training ako ulit with UPIPS kasi that's something na I really wanted to do for how many years, and medyo nakapanghinayang lang din kasi I was able to come back na wala na si Heart. So, yeah. So, that's something na I feel like I was late with, pero yeah. Anyway, Ayan. Ayun yung, ayun yung, sayang lang. Thank you, Cham! Hi, Zia! Hello po everyone na andito pa rin until now. Oh my gosh, ang dami pa rin natin pala. Hello! Yeah. Hello, everyone! Okay, pinaka-close namin na P-pop. Actually, I feel like it depends per member. Pero to name a few groups naka-close namin, right now kasi alam nyo, honestly, like everyone's busy na, kasi lumalaki na talaga yung P-pop, guys, as in, thank you, Deep Purple Pink. Lumalaki na yung P-pop and we are very thankful for you guys, for the fans of P-pop, fans of music, sa mga Zaya, 18, Blooms, Bullets, 4-1, and everyone, actually everyone talaga, at hindi ko na may isa-isa kasi ang dami na rin P-pop groups ngayon, so even yung number of P-pop groups lumalaki na din, and the number of fans, yung buong community talaga natin lumalaki na, so very thankful for that. And since ganun yung nangyayari, ang dami ng events ng P-pop and we're very thankful, kaya hindi na kami masyadong, unlike before, kung naalala nyo before, diba, lumalabas pa kami, like kasama namin yung Alamat minsan, yung Bini, and everyone else. Like, nakalabas pa talaga kami before. Pero now, everyone's busy with schedules na hindi na kami masyadong nakakapagkita outside work. And, yeah. Pero to name a few na mga ka-close talaga namin, Six Sense, of course. Six Sense, First One, and Dion. Kasi parang lagi namin sila nakakasama sa mga events talaga. And hindi ko na maalala actually. Sino-sino pa yung mga ka-close namin. Alamat! Oh my gosh, Alamat pala. I feel like Alamat yung parang naging ka-close talaga namin ever since. Na kasi before, fun fact pala, yung Alamat, ano namin yun before, naging ano namin sila, like kapitbahay namin sila, kaya ayun, kaya kami naging close, kasi minsan, kasi kami naglalakad lang talaga kami pa uwi, like, kasi malapit lang yung studio namin sa sa tinitirhan namin before, so naglalakad lang kami, so minsan naglalakad kami like in the middle of the night, tapos may mag-ano sa amin, may tatawag sa amin, uy kaya, may mga gumagano, tapos group of boys. So, parang kami, sino itong mga to? Tapos, ang layo kasi nila. Hoy, kaya! Gumaganon sila. So, parang, sino itong mga to? Yung pala, sila yun. Like, sila Jao, sila Tomas, sila RG. So, ayun. Ever since na naging close na talaga kami. Kasi doon namin na-realize na, uy, kapitbahay pala tayo. Galing. So, yeah. Manonood po ba kayo ng Beaniverse? Sadly, no. Hindi kami nakakuha ng tickets. Pero, actually, napapanood ko yung mga TikToks nila. Ang ganda ng concert nila. As in. Ang ganda ng stage, ang ganda ng costumes, ang ganda nilang lahat. And, yeah. Very happy for Beanie also. And, deserve nila to. As in. But, yeah. Sa mga manonood ng Beaniverse pala today, ingat kayo and stay dry kasi medyo maulan ata. And enjoy the concert, of course. Kakakita ko lang sa inyo sa One Ayala, may sakit agad. Grabe naman! Clingy! Charot. Hello! I'll see you soon. I'll see you again soon. Sana anyway, ayun pala. Sana magkita-kita pa tayo ulit sa mga next few events. And, yeah. I'm very excited to see a lot of you. Actually, alam nyo ba, honestly, naka-overwhelm yung dami ng tao. And, actually, naka-overwhelm siya in a good way. Parang ganun. To see a lot of people, like, starting to, give P-pop a chance. Parang, alam mo yun, parang ito yung sinasabi namin talaga before, na sana mabigyan kami ng ng attention, more attention and a chance, basta parang pakinggan nyo lang, ganun. And I'm so thankful na ang dami nang lumalaking groups ngayon tulad ng SB19 of course, Bini, G22, and everyone else, Alamat, Vision, and yeah, everyone. As in, ang dami ng lumalaking P-pop groups and I'm very thankful for you all. We're very thankful for you all. And sana patuloy niyong supportahan ng P-pop. Thank you. I love you all. Oh, soft R's. Very, naka-proud lang talaga. As in, kasi I'm sure alam niyo yung napagdaanan ng P-pop world for the past few years. Parang ngayon lang kasi talaga tayo, alam mo yun, parang lumalaki. And that wouldn't be possible if it weren't for you guys. So, yeah. Thank you kasi nagtulungan tayo dito. Hindi naman kami lumalaki because of us lang eh. Parang it's because of the support na you guys give us. And, yeah. And yung patience niyo sa paghintay sa amin, sa mga releases, sa mga content and everything, sa pag-support, and yeah, and sa pag-appreciate of course. So thank you. Thank you talaga. Sobrang ayun nga, kakasabi ko na naka-overwhelm in a good way. So sana patuloy niyong pag-suportahan ang P-pop. So thank you. I love you all. Thank you. Okay, going back. Na soft eyes na tayo doon. Pero totoo naman yung mga sinabi ko. We're very thankful talaga. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Whew. Kita-kit sa Watson's event. See you sa, ayun pala. Oh my gosh, may Watson's event pa tayo on August 18. And I think nagsastart na yung selling ngayon. Yeah, nagsastart na yung selling ngayon ng tickets. So, all you have to do is buy Watson's items. Ayun lang. And then you have to reach a minimum spend for a certain section. Kaya, sana makapunta kayo. And, yeah, I'll see you there. I'm so excited! Oh my gosh. See you! Tara, ML, magpa-epic tayo. Ayoko po mag-epic na pa ako. I'm scared. Not now. Magkakaroon po ba kayo ng show match sa ML? Maybe not. We'll see. Tingnan natin. Pero stay tuned. Stay tuned lang. I don't know if we can make it sa Watsons. It's okay. Ayun din, huya. Sabihin ko lang ulit, huwag kayo ma-pressure kung hindi kayo makakapunta sa mga events namin na don't be sorry. It's okay. Kasi alam ko naman na na tinatry niyo yung best niyo na makapunta. And if not, it's okay. Kasi lagi may next time, guys. Nandito lang ang kaya. Hindi mawawala yan. Andyan lang kami. Yeah. Is this a sign to stand them? Yes, of course. Ito na yung sign mo. Sayang naman. Gusto ko lagi makita ang kaya. Of course, gusto din namin na lagi namin kayo nakikita. Pero if not, if hindi kaya or alam niyo, busy kayo or malayo kayo and other factors, we will understand. Andito lang kami. Ano ipa-perform niyo tomorrow? Wait and see. Yeah. It's nothing new, of course, pero hopefully soon may something new. Soon yan, guys. Soon yan. There will be something new very, very soon. Malay nyo, next month na pala. Diba? Malay nyo lang. Malay nyo lang naman. Malay nyo sa July, pala. Basta yun. Hi. Mag-July na, tapos mag-August na, mag-birthday na si Soph. Oh my gosh, yeah, mag-birthday na ako. Anyway, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, my birthday is on August 22, and I am turning 23. 23. Oh my gosh, 2 years na lang, 25 na ako. ano na ako, magkakaroon na ako ng quarter life crisis. Charot, sana naman hindi. Sana hindi. Ate, birthday ko po. Happy birthday, Sai! Sino po comfort person mo sa Kaya? Hi, Kevin. Actually, everyone. Wow! Happy birthday! Thank you, Deep Purple Pink. But yeah, my comfort person, all of them. Yeah. Yun, naalala niyo yung sinabi ko sa live kanina ng AOS. Kaya will never be Kaya kung isa sa amin wala. So yeah, everyone talaga. What's your favorite color po? My favorite color is pink. Alam niyo ba, pinalitan ko na to ulit kasi naumay na ako sa red. So, should we change it? Hi, Caleb! I love you too. Thank you for the gift. Pero yeah, this is Hello Kitty na headband na I got sa Universal in Singapore. So, yeah, thank you again kay Ate Jaja and kay Ate Wally for helping me get this, and kay Sir Voltaire for helping me get this. But yeah. Hello, 1 hour na tayo nagla-live. What the hell? Parang ang bilis. Okay, anyway, I might leave in, sige, let's give it 10 minutes. Mga 4:40, mag-end na ako, guys. Should I stand Kaya? Yes, of course. Pero no pressure. But yes, you should. Hanggang saan na yung haba ng hair ko. I feel like, I don't know, since naka-headband ako, I don't know if ito talaga yung real length niya, pero somewhere here. Parang if you, yan siya. Yan. Kita niyo ba? Hindi ko alam kung kita niyo, pero yun. Skincare routine reveal. Actually, I added something new. Wait lang, I will show you. I added something new. Kasi biglang nag-break out ako malala kasi sa stress and everything with makeup and all. Nag-break out ako na malala. And then now na it's healing, ang daming like naiwan. Kasi ganun lagi, 'di ba? When you get like acne, nagmamark talaga siya for a long time. So, I'm using this one to lighten the marks. It's this one. This is Good Molecules na discoloration correcting serum. I use this one and I feel like it's working kasi parang pumuputi yung mukha ko, pero yeah, I added something new. I don't know if you want to try it, but if you do want to, yeah, this one is what I use. Something new lang. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nag-aano ng skincare kasi I have very, very, very sensitive skin and like acne prone talaga kasi I have oily skin and I have PCOS.